how to download FC26 on a PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily download and install the game FC26 on your PC or laptop. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So in order to actually install FC26 on our computer, we need to first have the EA app. And you can get that by simply going to ea.com in your browser. Check the description. I'll have a link there. So once you get to ea.com, you might see FC26 on the homepage here. You could just select play now, or you could select the three dots in the top left and then select all games and find FC26 in this list of games here. Once you open up FC26, you'll need to actually buy the game. This is a paid game. So go ahead and select buy now. And if you've already bought it in any of these other devices or platforms, select continue with that. But I'm just going to do buy on EA app for Windows. As you can see, the standard edition is only $13.99. So I'm going to select that, and then I'll select continue to checkout. Then from here, you can create an account if you don't already have one, or sign in. You can also log in with your Google account, Facebook, Apple ID, things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Once you get signed in, you just need to pay and purchase FC26. So go through that process. Once you've made the purchase, you'll see your purchase is complete. So go ahead and select close. And now all we need to do is select download EA app right here. Go ahead and save the EA app installer to your computer. Select save. Then just open up the EA app installer and select let's go. So we can go ahead and get it downloaded and installed. If you see, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Go ahead and select yes. And this just allows that app to install on our computer. We know it's safe because it's a verified publisher and we downloaded it from the official website. So now it's going to go through the process of downloading and installing the EA app on our computer. Once it installs, it should open up. And all we need to do is sign into the same account that we signed in on ea.com. Once you sign in, it'll open up the EA app. And all we need to do is go to library. And in here, you'll see FC26, which we just purchased. So select that, then select download. And you could leave this completely default. It should be fine. You might want to change the language, but everything else should be fine. It is 58 gigabytes. So just make sure you have that much space available and select next. And then download. So now it's going to start downloading and installing FC26 on our computer. Once it's done downloading and installing FC26, you can go to the library section of the EA app, and you should see FC26 under the installed section. Just go ahead and select the little play button. Then it will start launching the game for the first time, where because it's the first time, it might take a little bit longer than normal. If it pops up and asks you, do you want to allow public and private network access to this app? Go ahead and select allow if you want to be able to play online. Then FC26 will launch, where all you need to do is select Let's Play. Then you can start playing FC26 on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.